Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can see your time on Facebook. Maybe you wanted to know your screen time on Facebook so you can manage it. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can see your time on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into your home page. And as you can see in here, you have the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it to proceed. Once you are in this page, simply scroll down and you'll see here the settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button and select the settings. And under the settings and privacy, you will see here the preferences. Under the preferences, you will see your time on Facebook. Simply tap on it. And then in here, you'll see here the see your time. See how much time you're spending on Facebook and what you're doing with them. Tap on see time. As you can see, average this week is 1 hour and 24 minutes. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can see your time on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can see your time on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.